Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your Netflix password, so let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways in which you can see your Netflix password and neither of them are through the site. You will most likely need to use a third-party program or anything of the sort. So if you want to see your password on an account that already exists, you need to check out any password managers you might have. If you've written it down somewhere physically, then that's good. You can easily check it out from there. Or if you're using a browser which has a password manager such as Google Chrome, you can very easily see it. In Google Chrome's case, you go into the top right, click on the three dots next to your profile icon, then just go down, hover over passwords and autofill, go to Google Password Manager, and from there, you'll be able to see your data, including your username, email, and password, if you've saved it when you created your account. And that's pretty much the only legit way to do that. The only other way, if you've forgotten your password, is to reset your password as you would normally, and then just write it down somewhere. But in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. And all you can do if you're trying to see a password by going through the site. It is impossible. If you're trying to see somebody else's password, don't do it. Just please stop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.